ready to turn those unused tickets into cash. This is your express guide to uploading them to Viagogo. First, navigate to the Viagogo website and click on the Sell Tickets button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Enter your email address and password to log in. Or if you have not signed up, click the Register button to create your account. Following the prompts to complete the registration process, once logged in, you'll be prompted to enter the event details. Be as accurate as possible. Enter the event name, date, venue and the number of tickets you're planning to sell. Now, the critical part. Ticket details. Here, you'll input the section, row, and seat numbers if applicable. Then, find the Upload a Ticket button and click on it. A file selection window will pop up. Locate the ticket file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Make sure the file is in a compatible format like PDF, JPEG, or PNG. Next, set your price. Consider the demand and comparable listings to determine a competitive price per ticket. Review all the information you've entered one last time. Event details, ticket specifics, your asking price and most importantly your payment information. Making sure all your details are accurate before you submit. Once you're happy, click List Tickets or a similar button to finalize the process. Congratulations, your tickets are now listed on Viagogo and ready for a beer.